Hello YouTubes! It is Christmas night. I have an unexpected unboxing. I've been in my pajamas all day. I haven't done anything. It's been a great day. April handed me this box and said, here, this is Merry Christmas. This is from the kids. She goes, I want you to unbox it on camera. So this is what we're at, doing an unexpected video. Let's crack this open and see what this is all about. Alrighty YouTubes, let's open this thing. I have no idea where it comes from. There's nothing on the box except for it's a recycled Amazon box. It's cool by me. It's kind of sort of heavy, so I have no clue. I have no idea where it comes from. She just handed it to me and said, Merry Christmas, this is from the kids. Get on camera and unbox, so that's what we're going to do. So I'll start and keep the label away from me. So let's see what's in here. This is sort of unexpected for me. So hopefully it'll be a surprise for all of us. Okay. I don't know if I'm supposed to use a knife to unbox this. Alright. Okay, so brown paper. I don't know if I'll need that. Alright. Brown paper. It says a dear valued customer letter. I don't know if I should be reading this, so I'll kind of put this off to the side, whatever this says. It says, what the hell is this? It says, mystery box? What is mystery box? It says, do not use a knife. Okay, we're not going to use a knife. Caution. Mystery box. What the hell? I don't know. There's a lot of question marks on it. Mystery box. Well, how am I supposed to open this if I can't use a knife? I'll have to figure that out. What is this? There's more stuff in the box. There's something hard right here. Oh, man. This one snuck up on me. Oh, guys, this has got to be an Unknown Origins Effects box. Look at this. The Bipolar Pumpkin. Check that out, man. God, I love when David sculpts these things. His little ferocious food line. How cool is that guy? Look at that. And then you just flip him around, and there's his other face. That is so freaking cool, man. I just freaking love that. And he's foam filled. Again, guys, I've got the all his other fruits. I've got the the apples. I've got the taters. It's just freaking awesome. I have to find his I'll find his info and put his links below so you guys can go get you some of this stuff. I want to keep this on my bench so I can look at him. And he's got a little bloody mouth. How cool is that? God damn, I just love these, man. I forgot all about this stuff. Let's see, there's still more. Okay, so I'm trying to be careful. Uh-oh, there's something small in here. Oh, you know what this is? Bubble wrap. You gotta be careful with this one. Okay. Ooh, careful, careful. Alright. What the hell? It's a power pack of some kind. I don't know. A power pack. Okay. Alright. What else we got going on here? Oh, hell no! Wow, check that out, man! Holy Christ! He's got a V-twin engine head. Ah, obviously here's the power pack. Oh my god, that is freaking crazy nuts, man. It looks like a total V-head Frankenstein. Look at that. It's got little screw heads in the back. It's got a little skull in the back. Oh man. That's crazy. Let's plug this guy in and see what he does. Okay, so that's what the power pack must be. Let's give it the power. And ooh, I hear lights. Or I hear some kind of high-pitched whining. I'll have to kill the lights in a second. Let's hang that guy here for now. Oh, it stays on. Okay, cool. Alright. Oh, it's got a blinking mode? Oh my god, look at that. Ooh, it's got a fast blink. And it's got an off. Alright. Let's, before we play with this, let's open this box. This is the mystery box. That little pumpkin. Oh my god, that's so freaking crazy. Okay, so I gotta be real careful. Okay. Do not use a knife. Here I go. Breaking instructions already. You should know by now that that's what you get when you deal with me. I generally don't follow the rules. Okay. I'm going to cut the cord on that. Alright. What the hell? Oh man, what is this? Wow. Oh, that's one of David's freaking masks. Check that little crazy guy out, man. He's got the big thick strap on the back, and that is super thick latex. He must have dwelled that thing for a long time. Look how creepy cool that guy is, man. That's freaking awesome. Damn, David, that's cool. I'm happy to own some of your product, my brother. That's awesome. Let's set him here. And there is Unknown Origins Effects. Oh, some pins. That's cool. Put that on a jacket or something. And then we've got Unknown Effects Where Horrors Become Real. Is that a little catalog or something? What is this? Oh, it's a little calendar. Cool. Check that out. Well, that's cool. I didn't even know David had anything like that. That's awesome. I love that head on the bottom, man. That looks cool. Skull in a pan. That's awesome. Alright, cool. We'll flip through that. Okay. Horror word search. A horror word search. That's cool. I'll take that with me at night. And we've got a foam mounted skull. Check him out, man. He's nice and squishy. And it looks like you can stick a votive candle. Ooh, it smells like some kind of like sandalwood maybe or something? Is that what goes in there? Or is it the brains? The brains candle. Check that out. Okay, I'm gonna move this box. I'm glad I didn't use the knife. Brains. How awesome is that? That's cool. I don't know if I should be sticking this in the head or not. Might as well move this knife. Put him in there. Where's the brains in there? Okay. Let's see what brains looks like. Ooh, it's blue. Check that out. Ooh, that smells sort of like some kind of clean sheets or something like that. The cover is freaking cool, man. Brains, that's awesome. Man, let me get this stuff set up, and I'll kill the lights. We'll take a look at this glowing mask in the dark. Okay, YouTubes, I've killed the lights. Check this out. How freaking awesome is that? Cord all the way in the back lights up. It's got lights around the jugs of the motorcycle, the V-twin engine. It's got lights behind his eyes, and check this out. It's got a flash mode. How freaking cool is that, man? That's awesome too. Oh man, anything that have lights, I'm a sucker for lights. That's awesome. Man, David, that's freaking awesome, man. Alright, let's turn the lights back on. We'll take a look at these guys. Alright guys, lights are on again. Check this guy out, man. Let me show you the detail. I mean, man, he's thick cast, so man, David wants to dwell with him for a while. He's got little wing nuts on top of his little V-twin jugs up here. I mean, look at the face on that guy. Those little screw details and stuff. I mean, just super cool, man. Look at all that. He's foam filled, so he's nice and squishy, soft. So if he falls off a shelf, he won't get hurt. But look at that mug, man. I'm assuming this guy's called a Motorhead of some kind? Motorhead? Is that his name, David? I'm not sure. But just awesome, man. Turn those lights back on. Bink. That is just so freaking cool, man. And then we got his other mask. Again, this one's a nice thick dwelled mask. I mean, man, that's some thick latex right there. Again, David puts a nice thick strap on. You can adjust it for your head. He's got a little bit of hair on him, a creepy zombie face. Check that guy out. And again, I will link David's links below so you guys can go check him out and get some of your own stuff, man. Like, especially the Ferocious Foods lines. They're freaking awesome. So I got the brain candle. I can light that while I'm doing my projects. Super awesome. There's pins. Again, I'm assuming the votive goes on top, David. I hope I'm doing this the right way. A nice, soft, squishy skull. That'll look cool on the bench or up on the shelf somewhere. Again, just super cool. And if it falls off the shelf, won't hurt anything. So that's awesome. You can never have too many skulls. Super cool. And then, of course, guys, I've got some more of these coming. The bipolar pumpkin. We've got a few more coming. Give me some time. We'll be doing an unboxing on those too. So look at that guy. Look at that mug. You can display him either way you want. That guy's going to stay on my bench for a while. That's super cool. Alright guys, that is my unboxing that I had no idea what the hell it was. I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you dig everything that I got. Again, it was a surprise unboxing for me. I had no clue. So, man, till I see you guys again, keep it evil. Thanks for watching. And thanks to David. Awesome stuff, brother.